Traditionally, lanterns are used to celebrate Chinese New Year. I'm going to teach you how to make a cocktail called the Red Lantern. To make this cocktail, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients. You'll need your favorite vodka, you'll need a lychee liqueur, and you'll need some cranberry juice. First, you'll want to fill your cocktail shaker with a scoop of ice. To your cocktail shaker, you'll want to add 1.5 ounces of vodka. Then you'll need 3/4 ounce of lychee liqueur. Finally, you'll need 3 ounces of cranberry juice. Give this a good shake. Strain your cocktail into a glass filled with ice and garnish with an orange wedge. And there's our Red Lantern. Cheers to a happy Chinese New Year. Want to celebrate the Chinese New Year without all the alcohol? Let me show you how to make a Lotus Mocktail. To make our Lotus Mocktail, you'll need pineapple juice, grenadine, orange juice, cranberry juice, and a little bit of lemon lime soda. In a shaker filled with ice, you'll want to add 1 ounce of cranberry juice, half an ounce of orange juice, half an ounce of grenadine, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and you want to give that a shake. You'll now want to strain this into your glass filled with ice. You'll want to top it off with just a little bit of lemon lime soda and garnish with a cherry and an orange wedge. And there's our Red Lotus Mocktail. Happy Chinese New Year!